In the next 24 hours, I'm going to be making the very first see-through Air Jordan 1. This shoe is giving such a hassle. This is going to be the world's first all-clear see-through Air Jordan 1 using this very nice material and only the sole. This is going to be my biggest problem I come through while making these shoes. Normally, I use glue and tape. I don't want to use that because you won't be able to see through, so I have to manage a way to keep these materials together while still stitching. With that being said, I have to trace out all my materials and get them perfect while drawing it out, but I don't want the ink to stay on the material or else it'll all be messed up. Fortunately, I ran out of materials. I got myself some more right here. We're gonna keep on going. Cut out the rest of the material and trace it out so we can get to the stitching. Make sure to smash that like button as well as subscribe. These are gonna be the craziest shoes you've ever seen. Okay, so now it is on to the stitching. This is gonna be very interesting because I do not want to use any glue, no tape, no nothing. I want it to be clear in the middle. So we're gonna use white stitching, try to make it as clear as possible. These are gonna be the craziest shoes though. You definitely gotta share this video with somebody. Let's go over to the stitching machine. So I'm at my sewing machine. You might be wondering, how am I gonna hold it down? Well, if you could see, actually I could see right through you. It's just like, it's staticky to itself. I don't need to hold it down or anything. It's staying there. Look at the Nike sign is still on. I could see you. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna get 1 million views this video. These shoes are gonna be crazy. These shoes are gonna be crazy. But look. Okay, so maybe if you just throw it off hard, it will fall off. See, it'll just stick there. Just put it back on to where it was supposed to be. Looks just like a Jordan. Now I'm just gonna stitch it right along the edge and then we'll be off to the next pieces, stitch them all together. I am using the white thread and I am gonna double thread it all just because might as well take the extra step to make it, you know, as accurate as possible. But that being said, let's get to the sewing machine. I have to punch the holes in the front toe to get that airflow going in and out so we don't got sweaty feet and it doesn't fog up on the inside. I'm gonna be using my handy dandy hole puncher going all throughout it to make it nice and accurate. So all of them are in the right order and all scaled correctly. So I'm gonna get to that. From there, I have to stitch it onto this bad boy, and remember, we got to do it without glue or tape, any of that stuff. We're trying to have it as clear as possible, only thread. So I'm gonna be punching all the holes right through, stitching this bad boy on, and from there the toe will be finished and onto the tongue. So we got the midsection stitched up, ready to go, as well as the upper, and the back tab is sitting right here. Now we got to apply it all together using our double stitch, and we are coming into a couple of difficulties because it is hard to keep them all together without using glue or tape, but I'm making the best of it. As you can see, everything is coming out perfect so far. We got the double stitch all the way around there, Nike checks, but we got to put it all together. As I said, double stitch that all up. We're gonna work our way from the back all the way to the front. So we're super close from finishing this upper. We gotta add the eyelets, we gotta add the wings on the front, connect it to the toe and the tongue, and boom, we got ourselves an upper for the lacing. Now I gotta double stitch all those as well as punch all the holes. Now if you remember, we already punched these holes right here. Get the nice airflow for the toe so it doesn't fog up, so it doesn't steam up. But that being said, I'm gonna keep on stitching this on. I'm making great progress with these shoes so far, but make sure to smash the like button as well as subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and join the Discord that I just linked down below. We're gonna be growing this big ol' custom shoe community. Okay, so far we got the upper finished, we got the toe and the tongue finished. We gotta stitch it together, as you can see right through there, even though it's clear. This is a shoe. We gotta stitch it, wrap it all the way around, and we'll have a full-on shoe. Gotta go to that bad boy right there, stitch it up, and we're all done with the upper. Now that we got the upper looking all nice, we got to connect it all the way around. We got to stitch that last stitch right there, and boom, you got yourself a full-on upper, as you can see, right through. So I got to run that stitch along the line. We'll have the upper all ready for the lasting process. Pull the last out, and boom, you got yourself an all clear Air Jordan 1. I got to do my double stitch right through there, and then get the upper ready. Now that the upper is all finished, we got the upper, we got our last, we gotta last it on and get our never before seen all clear Air Jordan 1 on the transparent and white sole. So time to last them up. Ooh, and they're all finished, and boom, just like that, all clear Air Jordan 1s. You have never seen anything like this before. You know the deal. We gotta get our last hole right here. We gotta rip the last out of the sneaker. We got the sneaker right here. We're gonna have a full reveal. First of all, we gotta take the laces out of the top, shove it in here, rip it out. We're on to the last step. Before we pull the last out of the shoe, make sure to share this with another sneakerhead who might just be blown away by this crazy custom. Look at this. This is such a crazy custom, all clear Air Jordan 1. You can see right through it. Look at this. This is by far one of the craziest customs I've done, and this is something that you don't see out there. We got our insole. We got to slide it in, get it all situated so they are wearable. They will be having white laces. You got the white midsole, you got the white thread, you got the clear everything, the clear leather, you got the transparent bottom. Look at these things. Just look at one more time again. These came out wild. Now this is as detailed as it gets for a Jordan. Everything is still double stitched. You could also see all the process that it goes through. And look, you could still see me in the back over there, which is pretty crazy for a custom like this. This is definitely a shoe that's gonna catch everyone's eye. This is a one of one. There's not gonna be one other shoe like this. So this shoe has all the details. You got all the holes in the toe, so it is breathable. You gotta have it breathable. Even the tongue right here, we got the nice custom tongue. I'm gonna write laced up customs right on there so everyone knows what type of custom this is. This is a one of one. Boom, just like that. I threw in some white laces in these all clear Air Jordan 1s. You've never seen anything like this. Make sure to share this with another sneakerhead. Smash the like button, subscribe, check out all my other videos, become a member today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.